Hey, what's going on, family? This man, Matt DV. Today we went to Vonda's restaurant. Vonda's is on West Kinney Street in Newark, New Jersey, and they are a delicious soul food spot here in Newark. Check it out. What's going on, family? We are here at Vonda's. This is what I got. I got their barbecue short ribs. I got the cabbage and collard greens. And I got the macaroni and cheese. Check it out, check it out. Which one should I eat first? I gotta go for the mac and cheese, man. I'm gonna go for the... All right away, right? You know how some people try to get that box macaroni and cheese? You can tell that this was baked in a pan. And then they also use some mild, and I can taste a little bit of sharp cheese, I believe, but definitely some mild, what do they call it? Cheddar cheese? Mild cheddar? I'm looking at my camera person. Mild cheddar cheese?
Yes, mild cheddar.
Delicious. I'm gonna take some more of this. The macaroni and cheese is the bomb, y'all. I got some cabbage and collard greens here. Every time I mention the word collard greens, y'all, I think of my grandmother, because my grandmother made the best collard greens I've ever had. Let's see if they're better than grandma's. No. For these not to be cooked in pork, they are very delicious. You know, because I like that little oily, you know, you get that, it's like it. I'm used to having some pork fat or some turkey fat in my greens. These are really delicious greens. Cabbage and collard greens from Vonda's. See that steam coming off them? That means they're hot. Those are really good. I almost put some salt on them, but I don't want to try to use too much salt. It's perfect. These are seasoned to perfection. I'm gonna give it to Vonda. Now we're gonna go for the short ribs. To all my vegan friends, I know y'all mad at me, but that's the way love is. We're in Newark, New Jersey, y'all. I always say Vonda's have the only soul food restaurant in Newark, New Jersey. That might be debated. If you want to debate it, put it in the chat or put it in the comments. Also, like and subscribe. Take this moment to go down to the subscribe button. Go over to the like button. Comment. Beef short ribs. I just want to say one thing. One word. Tender. Tender. And a little bit of, I like a little bit of fat in my beef. There it is, y'all. I'm doing the dance. You know, if I do that little dance, the food is good. Here eating beef.
Perfect.
No, I mean, it looks like a heart attack.
No, I look
that
good.
crazy.
Please. You don't even know. Like, so when I'm making pancakes at home, right? So I make the pancakes and I put the I put Bruce makes fun of me. She's like, you don't need all that butter on your food. But I put the butter on the pancakes, like, as I'm taking them off the griddle. And then when I'm about to eat it, so I usually like mix my syrup with like butter in the microwave. So now I got extra butter on it.
We're at Vonda's, y'all. West Kinney Street, Newark, New Jersey. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.